Downloading account statements on WooCommerce is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your sales and financial data. Follow these steps to easily download your account statements. Step 1. Log into your WooCommerce account. Access your WooCommerce account by visiting the WooCommerce website and entering your login credentials. Ensure you have the necessary permissions to view account statements. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. This is typically found in the main menu. Look for options related to orders, reports, or account settings. Step 3. Access report section. In the dashboard, locate the reports section. This area contains various financial reports, including sales, orders, and account statements. Click on the reports link to proceed. Step 4. Select the desired report. Within the reports section, choose a specific report you want to download. Look for options like sales by date or orders that provide the information you need for your account statement. Step 5. Download the report. After selecting the report, look for a download button or option. This may be labeled as export or download. Click it and choose your preferred file format such as CSV or PDF to save the account statement to your device. Now you have your account statements downloaded and ready for review. Regularly checking these statements can help you manage your finances effectively.